All right, we're going to look at this problem. Given the function below, evaluate f of -3. So something important whenever you have a negative especially, make sure you put it in parentheses. So I'm going to write this out. F of -3 equals 5 plus 2 absolute value of 5 times -3 plus 6. So I'm going to double check, make sure I wrote down everything right. I would recommend you do that too. So 5 plus 2 times the absolute value of 5 times -3 plus 6. Now at this point we're going to do order of operations, so PEMDAS. First, inside parentheses. Now absolute values are kind of like parentheses, so you definitely want to simplify inside the absolute values first. So we still have 5 plus 2, which we cannot combine because the 2 is multiplied by the absolute value, so we have to just leave those. Now inside the parentheses I can do 5 times -3, which is -15, plus 6. Okay, let's continue to simplify in the parentheses, or absolute values in this case. So -15 plus 6, we're going to get 9, -9 absolute value, and we still have the 5 plus 2. Okay, next we go 5 plus 2, and now we actually do the absolute value. So the absolute value of -9 is just +9, so now this will be multiplied. Okay, next, so we've simplified the parentheses completely. We don't have any exponents, so next we'll multiply. So 2 times 9 is 18. We get 5 plus 18 is going to be 23. So notice we start inside the parentheses, or absolute values in this case, and we simplify completely, even doing the absolute value before we worry about anything on the outside. So little refresher on order of operations here.